The Space Race by Ryan. Enjoy.
Oh my god, that's a bit scary.
Albert II was the first animal in space. He was the chimp. He orbited the Earth and he checked if the air was clear in a rocket to see if the air was clear and to see if the rockets worked perfectly for astronauts to fly up into space. When the Russians heard of this, they sent this dog, Lucia, into the space to also orbit the Earth, check if the air was clear, and to check if their rockets were okay. This is JFK's speech. Enjoy. Hello there, everybody. I'm JFK, and I promise you, by the end of the 60s, we will have landed on the moon and beat the Russians in the space race. Enjoy. Hello, I'm Mil Gagarin, and I'm Russian. I'm the first man in space, but I only lasted 2 hours, and I went back down to space because I couldn't do it. Oh no! 3 years later, Neil Armstrong went up to JFK and said, "Hello, JFK. I want to apply for the job to go up to space. I am putting my hand up to go up to space and win the space race. I promise you we will win. We will not lose. We will win."
Are you sure?
Okay, Neil Armstrong, you had the job. You could have plenty of practice and then you can go up to space. Oh, but I've had plenty of practice, thanks. This is the launch pad that Neil Armstrong and 2 other men flew up to space. Here they go. Into landing. Neil Armstrong was the first man to go and step foot on the moon. And his first words were, "Hey, JFK. One big leap, one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind, everybody!" I'm JFK and I have just planted the flag, so to prove that America have won the space race. Hey, what did I tell you? We have won the space race, everybody! Yay! 3 cheers for Neil Armstrong! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Speech! Thank you, everybody. I'd like to thank JFK especially for letting me do this.